Ezmeralda. You laughed when I mispronounced your name, told me you came from Haro, chasing waves and something new.
We shared a mango from a paper cup, sticky fingers. You just wiped them on my shirt. You pointed out the stars above Honolulu, said where I'm from they shine a little different too.
We danced by the food trucks in the parking lot. You taught me little Spanish words between each bite. Guapo Baila. You were teasing as you spun, bare shoulders glowing in the faded neon light. You drew a map of Spain on a napkin, circle round Haro like a secret only we knew. Said someday you should find me on that street. I folded it and slipped it in my worn out shoe. Ezmeralda in Waikiki, you were sitting in the water next to me. I can still taste salt on your skin when you kiss me goodbye. Ezmeralda from you kept saying that you had to go, but my heart stayed there with you under that Hawaiian sky. Sounds like your laughter. Every sunset feels like it's asking why. I trace that napkin map with tired fingers. Wonder if you ever see my face in your Spanish sky. Ezmeralda in Waikiki, you were sitting in the water next to me. I can still taste salt on your skin when you kiss me goodbye. Ezmeralda from Georgia. If I ever make it there, I hope you know that my love's still waiting where the ocean meets the sky. Ezmeralda in Waikiki, you're the song the trade winds left in me, and I'm still thinking of you under that Hawaiian sky. Ezmeralda in Waikiki, you were sitting in the water next to me. I can still taste salt on your skin when you kiss me goodbye. Ezmeralda from Georgia. If I ever make it there, I hope you know that my love's still waiting where the ocean meets the sky. Ezmeralda in Waikiki, you're the song the trade winds left in me, and I'm still thinking of you under that Hawaiian sky. You're the song that the winds left in me, and I'm still thinking